Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles, and today's video I'm going to show you all how to create bundle deals. Yes, I'm showing you how to create a bundle deal on your website. This video is highly requested. As you can see on the screen, I do have lashes shown as unavailable because I just recorded a video showing you all how to make your products on your website unavailable opposed to deleting the products. This way it saves you more time in case you do want to make the product available at a later date. You don't have to go through the steps of adding the product again and getting the pictures again and adding the description and the variants. And so if you are interested in that tutorial, be sure to check out the video and also check out my business playlist. I have tons of videos there. If you are interested in this video today, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. So I do want to say that I am using Shopify. If you don't have Shopify, it's completely okay. It's not too late to switch over, and it's not too late to join. So click the link down below this video, open another browser, click that link that's titled Shopify, or click here to sign up for Shopify, something along those lines. It's right below the video. Choose a plan that's going to work best for you and your business, and there may even be a free trial. Once you do that, you want to log into your Shopify store. So I logged into the Shopify store and I'm in the product section. The product section is where we want to be a lot of the time because we are going to be working with products. Anytime you want to, or services, anytime you want to make a change to a product or service, a lot of times we're going to be here. So this section is going to give us the ability to change the sales channels. It's going to give us the ability to change the name of our products, the pictures of our products, and just so much more. So we click on Add Product, and at this point we have an option to type in the title and description. It gives us an example of short sleeve t-shirt. So what we want to do is we want to decide what we want the title for our bundle deal to be. There's really no really right or wrong way to do this. I don't want you to overthink it. So I'm going to go ahead and just write in bundle deals. Now, if you wanted to have your bundle deals include like closures as well, you can do bundle deals and closures, whatever you want to do, or a bundle deal including closures or something along those lines. In the description, you can choose what you want to put as well. So I'm going to put bundle deals. You can also switch it up and say bundle and save. I mean, you can do whatever you want. In the description, though, I would be a little bit more descriptive. For the sake of the video, I'm just, doing a basic title and a basic description. But before you publish the product, I would be a little bit more descriptive. So explaining the textures that are going to be offered in the bundle deals, explaining how many bundles come in the bundle deals. If you want to go over your shipping policy or return policy, anything that you want to include in this section, you can. But for the sake of the video, like I mentioned, I'm going to kind of keep it very simple. Now, the next section is media. So this section gives you the opportunity to add different pictures from your phone or from your computer. All you have to do is click Add File, and then you'll be able to choose what picture you want to use. So now we're at pricing. So to get started, we do have to choose a price. So I'm going to choose just any number. I'm going to choose $280 for an example. Now, you can also choose compare at price if you want to kind of show like a discounted version on your website. So it'll show something like $280 now opposed to like $300, something like that. So it shows the price being slashed. I'll make a separate video on that, but I'm just scrolling down so that you can see what everything looks like. So what we're going to do is go ahead and scroll down and click variants. We're still in the same section under products. We just scroll down. Under options, we're going to go ahead and choose texture. So I'm going to put in the first texture, which is Brazilian straight. Keep in mind, you can always customize the textures to whatever, you're offering. If you're not offering Brazilian straight, then don't put that there. We're also going to choose another option. So I'm going to choose the lengths as well because I want my customers to be able to choose what texture and also what lengths. And I'm sure that you would want your customers to be able to choose that as well if they are choosing bundle deals. Now stay with me through the entire video because I'm going to show you another way to add a bundle deal to your website too. So I'm going to be showing you two different ways. So what I'm doing right now is I'm adding another texture. So Brazilian Body Wave is another texture that's being added, and I'm also going to add in Mongolian Deep Wave. Every time that I type in a different texture, I'm clicking enter, or I believe it's space on my phone. But on the computer, you can click enter, and you'll know that it's saved once it looks like that. Now, I do want to let you know for lengths, if you just choose like 12 and you do like a space, it automatically saves it like 12. So in order to have it with multiple bundles, you have to put something like some kind of something between the numbers. So what I did is I just put like the 12-inch, 14-inch, and 16-inch instead of just doing 12, 14, 16, because I think this is more clear than just having the numbers all jammed together. So I go ahead and I choose 12-inch, 14-inch, 16-inch, enter, 18-inch, 20-inch, 22-inch, enter, and then 22-inch, 24-inch, 26-inch, enter. And then you want to go ahead and save it. So as you can see, before we click save, I just want to show you what we're looking like. We don't have anything in there for the quantity. We are going to change that in a little bit. And I'm also going to show you towards the end of the video how to choose not to track the quantity in your online store. That way you don't have to worry about choosing or selecting any numbers or anything like that. But as you can see Brazilian straight 12, 14, 16, Brazilian straight 18, 20, 22. You can see the body wave options and also the Mongolian deep wave options. If I wanted to add another option, I can go ahead and do that. The next thing that I want to work on is the pricing. So again, these are just example prices. If you wanted to change it to $285 for the next inch, so the 18, 20, 22, or next inches, you can. You can do $290 for the next variant, $295, and so on. And then you want to go ahead and save it. Make sure that you save your work so that you don't have to redo everything again. And now I have it saved. So I have Bundle Deals as a product saved in my online store. And you can see that I do have the variants of Brazilian Straight, Body Wave, Mongolian Deep Wave, and I have different options for the Bundle Deals as well. So I'm just showing you how everything looks. That's showing you the link to the product that I just created. Now at this point, I'm going to go ahead and change the quantity. So I'm just going to put 1 for the sake of the video. If you want to keep track of your quantity or of your products through Shopify, you can do that. You just go ahead and type in the amount that you have per each bundle deal. I'm just going to put in 1. And then I'm going to switch over to my website, which we're on now. And as you can see, it shows bundle deals. We just created this product. It does not have a picture because remember, we didn't choose a picture. But as you can see, this is what it looks like on the online store. So you can choose your texture and you can also choose your length. This is what we just created. So pretty seamless and simple to create a bundle deal. Now I'm going to go back to add a product and start with the blank canvas and show you another way to add a bundle deal. So we're going to start here with add products, and I'm going to choose Brazilian Body Wave bundle deals this time. And I'm also going to type in a description. So this way it's going to show you how to have a Brazilian Body Wave bundle deal section opposed to having the section that we just saw that gave you the option to choose your texture and choose your length. Just depends on what works best for you. I'm going to scroll down and we're going to uncheck track quantity. That way we don't have to go in and put any numbers in the quantity section. We don't have to worry about it. And again, the reason that I'm showing you multiple ways is because there's so many different ways to love a cat, I kind of been using that saying quite often because, not everyone does things the same way. And so I just like to show, I like to show options. So we're going to scroll down and we're going to choose lengths again. And I'm just typing in the lengths that I'm going to offer for this product. So 12, 14, 16, 16, 18, 20, 20, 22, 24. And that's that. I'm going to go ahead and click save. So at this point, when we go back to the website, you're going to be able to see the difference. So as you can see, we don't have a picture. We didn't choose one, but you get the point. It still shows Brazilian Body Wave bundle deals. So if this is a product that I'm offering, you can choose your length right there, and that's that. So those are the two different ways that you can add bundle deals to your online store. If you wanted to add closures or frontals, you can definitely do the same. Right now, I'm just deleting what I just create it because I'm not going to use that. I already have bundle deals on my website. But if you wanted to add closures, it's pretty much the exact same step. You'll go ahead and you'll change the title to include something along the lines of bundle deals including closures, or bundle deals with one closure added, or something along those lines. And you'll go ahead and you'll add the variants that you want. So the texture, you can go ahead and add another variant for the lengths. And then if you want to, you can add another variant for the closure as well. So I really hope that this video helped. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.